Okay, Vic, after some minor repair, the F350 is starting as it should. Let me turn this key off and then turn it back on so we can get the glow plug cycle and all that good stuff happening. Okay. That's the way this truck is supposed to start. So, all I did was put a positive battery cable on it and put a new starter in it. So the starter was weak, obviously. So we'll turn it over too slow for the truck to start. I hope this helps somebody. Thank you for your channel. Hope you get a lot of new subscribers. And have good luck with YouTube. Okay, thanks. Bye.